guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega Notes pages that I turn into something like this. So exactly like a weekly pages, but this is the note pages of my Strawberry Latte Mega Weeks. And today we will be using this Hobonichi Weeks Essentials kit from my shop called Summer Fresh, and our newest sheet in the shop, which is Chic Summer. And this is a decorative sheet so that I have decos to play with. And if you'd like to see how my page will look like after all of this and all of the planning, then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay guys, so let's go through our, oh my gosh, there's a drop of something. Okay, let's go through our kit first. So this is the essentials. This is only one page. We do have an option for the regular weeks kits, which are 2 pages. And this is Summer Fresh. So you do have your date cover, your decorative strip, individually cut boxes. You have checklist boxes and blank boxes. You have headers at the bottom, and you also get the bottom bars that are the same size, so you can use whichever one you would like for both the left and the right side. We also have something new from the shop, and this is the Hobonichi Weeks decorative sheet, and this is just full of decos that were made specifically for the Hobonichi Weeks. We only get a few big ones here, but most of them are really small. But instead of using this full kit or full page of deco, we will be using this one, which is already used. I used this in my last plan with me, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to check that out. I will link that down below. And for all of our Hobonichi Weeks decorative sheet, we do have one per collection, and this sheet can go with any of the kits from the same collection, so you can use them however you would like, spreading it out across a few weeks. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to put down my date covers, which isn't covering anything for real, but let's do this. So I skipped 2 boxes here at the top, and this will just fit the bottom bars perfectly. So I'm going to use this one as per usual. Here you go. And then I'm going to take the other bottom bar, and I'm just going to put it down here. Not going to be too creative today, just the normal layout. Ta-da! And then I'm going to take the decorative strip and put it up here. Now my Hobonichi is very chunky, so it's curling up towards the spine already, so I'm not going to put any more stickers on the spine. That's why I cut it very far from the last line there. And this one goes over the top. Still a little bit short. Actually, no. I'm going to try and butt this up against the edge of the page. Not really the edge of the page, but just the last line. Alright, that's perfect. Wow, good job me. That could have not been as good. Alright, so that looks pretty good. Now I do have my boxes here. I actually also have boxes from my regular kits here that I may be using. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. So first I'm going to put down all of these blank boxes first. That's perfect because I'm not planning to do any shop stuff on Sunday because I do have other things to do. So now I'm going to alternate between the decorative checklist from this page. So this is actually part of the regular kit from my last plan with me, and I had extra boxes to play with for this plan with me. Oh, that's so crooked. Can we still lift it? Oh, we can. Hurrah! Last one, and this is completely empty. Oh, wow. Alright, so that is looking pretty perfect right now. I am loving it so much. Okay, so we do have headers at the bottom, and I will use that for this side of the page. I'm going to put one down right now, and here you go. And then I'm going to put one at the bottom. And then this is the essentials. It is completely used, And I also have this page from the regular kit that I had left over. And I'm going to now play around with the deco. So this one I was going to use, but then I changed my mind. So now she's going to go down here. And then I have this giant deco. I have two actually. I have that one as well. So I'm going to put it down here because down here I have some things to do. So I won't be around Friday, Saturday, and Sunday actually, and especially Sunday. So I have this beautiful flower also. Can I put it? No. All right, here. There you go. And then I have turtle, and turtle will go down here. Can turtle go down here? Okay, no, turtle will go here. Here's where turtle will go because turtle is life. All right, and I only have a few more decos left. I'm gonna take fish. I'm gonna put her up here. And then I have a few flowers and this girl. Okay, I guess this girl can go down here. I'm gonna see if I can layer this flower. I can, but I'm not sure if it's gonna look pretty. It's a little awkward. No, she will not layer, but she can go down here. No, that's not pretty. Oh, okay. I guess I can divide one more section up there. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now, I do have a few decos left, but I'm going to go ahead and put you on fast forward modes as I use this pen. This is my Coletto. This is 0.4, so all of the cartridges are 0.4. And then I also pulled my Sailor Shikiyori, and this is a brush pen. It's more of a highlighter pen. And my Pilot Footed Touch, which is an actual brush pen. And I'll show you what they look like later, the difference between these two. For here, or for this pen, the brush is very soft. So if you're not really practiced with your calligraphy, this might be very difficult to use. Whereas the Pilot Footed Touch has a much more stiffer end or brush on it. So that makes it a whole lot easier. All right, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so we are done with our page. I've already put down all of the things that I can put down right now. Today is the 16th and we are planning for the week of June 17th through the 23rd. I did do my tracker and then my goals and then all of these things, and then for these full 4 days is going to be shop beast mode because there's so many things that I need to do. So for here I used my Pilot Footed Touch to calligraphy. Not very good, I know. I'm still learning and I'm still practicing. And then I also put down a few decos here. So I also did a calligraphy down here using the same pen. And I am gonna be abroad from the 23rd. And then what else did I do? Okay, so for here, I did highlight that using my Sailor Shikayori brush pen. It works pretty well, like as a brush pen when you're coloring. It does layer very well. It's very easy to deal with the colors. But for calligraphy, because the pen or the brush tip is really, really soft, I'm still struggling with using that for writing things down. So this is our page. I'm going to scoot you on over really quickly. So for notes, I still have that blank because I don't want to reveal the things. I am designing in advance for a few weeks maybe. And then this is the deco sheet. I have used all of them. I know that this has become a very deco heavy spread, but I really enjoy that kind of spreads, and these are all the pens that I used. And then the last pen was this Coletto, and this is what I'm going to use for now, because I am using my matte paper here, and that is best for ballpoint pens. And there's no drying time to worry about, etc. Alright, so that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you'd like to go ahead and follow me on my social media, my Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, while our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And if you like anything that you saw here, that is all stickers, so not the pens, they are available at paperjoyph.com right now. And if it's still active, I'm hoping by the time I post this, then go ahead and use OTurtles10 for 10% off your order of new releases or new kits. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!